Today, on Uncovered, cops were called to break up a fight outside of a bar between 4 females and their boyfriends. When they realize they're being arrested, they completely freak out and try to act like they didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, hold on, please! Oh. Relax, please. Easy. Relax, relax, you're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Get off! Get off! Get off! Under arrest, that's it! Don't go anywhere. Turn around.
Are you gonna arrest her?
Relax. Stay facing the wall. I'm dealing with you right now. Stop asking questions. No, that's it. Back up. I'm not going to back up. No. You're under arrest.
The officers attempt to place the females who are fighting in handcuffs while keeping the crowd at a manageable distance.
Get my man! Get my man!
Guys, back up. Guys, back up. Back up. Guys, back up. 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 Back up.
Back up!
Back up. Back up.
Back up! Back up! Alright, but you gotta back up!
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Everybody, back up!
If you don't back up, you don't get shot. Back up. Back up, guys. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up, sorry. Back up, you're gonna get arrested. Back up. Back up. Back up or you're gonna get sprayed. Back up.
Where's my bag? Where's my bag?
You gotta relax. You gotta relax.
Give me my bag, bro.
Look the other way. Look the other way.
Give me my bag. Bro, what are you gonna do, bro? Give me my bag.
Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Both of them. No. Good. My rights is good. My rights is good. My rights is good. Keep it up on the
You started. Shut up. You was like that aggressive. I don't care.
Get in the cars. Let's go. Get in the car. Let's go.
My shoes intact. My shoes.
Okay, no worries.
The deputies prepare to place the suspects in their vehicles in order to transport them to the police station for booking.
All right. Stop pulling away. Stop pulling. Stop, man, stop pulling. Start, get back. My cousin good? Okay, that's my family. Right, sorry, just get back. Relax, you gotta get back. Get back, man. You ain't no shit. Get back. Come on.
I don't know what happened. Just relax with me.
My phone's missing.
I'll grab it. I'll find it.
It's gone.
With her?
Hold on. You have any property on you?
No, I don't think so. Can you check my pockets if I have it?
Okay. You have a phone or a wallet or anything?
No, I think somebody else has it.
Okay, hold on. Turn around. Okay. Go ahead. Get in.
Okay.
There's somebody in both cars.
Can you please tighten this? Bro, all my life, I will not do anything. Can you please loosen these? I have mad anxiety.
All right, so again,
Please.
just try and take a breath.
Please.
Just give me a minute. I can't do it right now.
Please.
There's about 90 people here.
I don't give a f.
I understand. Just walk over here with me. Yo, Teddy, where's your car? Where's your car?
Bro, can you loosen these?
Yeah, we're going to our headquarters. Just give us 2 seconds.
So just walk her off. Just walk her off.
You just walk her over?
Now,
Yo, can you grab my gloves that were on the ground?
Where are they?
They were on the ground right by 20.
Please just loosen them.
Are you gonna walk her over? Or what are you gonna do?
I'm Gucci, please.
Okay, look, we'll walk this
No,
building.
please. Just out my face.
Relax!
Get them off!
I told you once we go inside, relax. Give us 2 seconds.
The suspects are taken to the station one by one so they can be booked individually. The first suspect arrives and continues to give police a hard time.
Okay, I will not violate you. Please just pick it up. I will not say nothing. Please just pick it up. I will not fight you. I won't fight you. Please take them off. Can you please take them off? I
There's
promise.
4 more people coming in, so.
Can you please take them off, bro? Please, please.
Teddy, you want to just hang out with her over here for a second? I'll
Take them
transport.
off, I promise.
Excuse me for that?
Yeah, just give me a minute, man. What's going on?
I'm so sorry.
Hold on, man. I got you. Come on.
That's great.
All right, it's all right. It's all right. Stay one second. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Watch your head. What's he said? Just try to relax, man. All right? Were they fighting each other?
Yes, sir.
Just hang it over here.
Just
Over here.
Can you get my bag?
Yes.
Can you get
stop?
it
I
now?
told you I'm going to work for you. Give me 2 seconds.
come this way. Is somebody in there? They got an arrest in there, right?
Just keep it in there. Just keep it right there.
All right, come
So they don't.
You okay, man? Just here. Try to just relax, all right? All right. You want to have a seat? You want to have a seat?
No, don't touch me.
Well, you're under arrest, so I have
Don't
to.
touch me. Shut up.
No, that's not how it works.
Shut up.
That's not how it
Shut
works.
up. You asked me for a seat. Shut up.
You could sit down.
I don't want to sit, so I'm going to sit by the seat, okay? That's it.
Okay.
Shh.
Listen, you can make this easy or difficult.
I don't know why you're making it difficult.
No,
He
you're
already
making it
offered me the seat, so I'm going to stand by the seat, okay?
Perfect.
So stop talking.
That's all we need.
The suspect continues to give officers a difficult time out of spite. There's clearly a reason why she's in cuffs instead of being free right now.
So what's going to happen is I'm going to take it off. You're going to throw your hand on the wall. Do not turn around. Do not throw your
Can you
arms
get
up.
my bag? Because that's
Yes.
a that I don't.
Yo, can you just grab the black bag that's on the table right there?
We had to censor this part of the footage due to her wardrobe repeatedly malfunctioning in this room.
Stand by, stand by, stand by. Everybody stand by. Hold on. Can somebody give me a selfie? Selfie?
By the way, someone stole my phone.
All right, we'll do a report for that as well.
Okay, you know.
Yeah, I'm just waiting
I'm
for my
not
partner.
even. I'm not even like trying to fight with you.
I get it.
I just have
Anxiety,
anxiety.
I know. Yeah, that's it.
I have super brain anxiety.
I get you.
I just
try
want
and
to
take a
off.
breath. We're gonna get you. We're gonna put you in a cell by
I know
yourself
I
just so you
get
can
it,
relax.
but I just want to off. Please, I will not. I will not hurt you.
We're just waiting for somebody to bring the cell key in because, as per our policy, we're not allowed to have anybody in here with their weapons. So that's why they're putting them away. And then we're gonna clear the cell and then throw you in there. Then you can breathe. You can wander around. You can go to the bathroom if you need to. Again, I don't want to yell.
Can you check if my phone is in that second box?
This one?
Yeah. You feel it?
Yeah, there is something in there. So it might be. It might be.
Okay.
Do you have any
Can
females?
you pull it out or no?
You gotta keep it no wall, okay?
All right, I'm gonna do a quick pat down of you. I'm gonna get your phone out as well.
Can you just check, please?
Just
quick,
give me 2
quick,
seconds. I have to just give me 2 seconds. I have to put my gloves on. Again, I try to do everything very respectfully since you're a female.
It's okay.
One more out here.
Hold on.
Stand by! Alright.
Can you just check if my phone? Because everybody's
I believe it is. Just give me 2 seconds.
Can you check it first? That's my phone. Is it pink?
Do you have 2 pockets? Yeah.
Is it a few?
This one?
Yeah, okay. Can I see the front screen, please? Okay, it's on my phone.
You guys good?
Just turn around. I'm gonna finish checking your pockets.
Am I gonna get that?
Your phone? Yeah. I'm not gonna take your phone. It's just right now, obviously, while you're in cuffs, we can't let you have your phone.
That's mine.
That's your phone. Here. I'm just gonna check the other pocket. I'm gonna take that from your hand.
Can I take it?
No, everything's on camera right now, so I don't want to get in trouble for that. Do you have any other pockets other than that?
No. I don't have nothing.
Your chains, is it easy to come off, or are they like kind of stuck?
They're like little latches.
you
The
mind if I try
cross
and take
is
it off real
real though, so I worry about that. The 4 from
Again, everything's on camera right now. So
I just need that bag.
no, of course, no, everything that I take off you, you're getting back. Don't worry about that. It just so our policy is anything that you can, not saying you want to or you're going to, anything that can harm yourself, we have to take.
I understand.
Sorry, I don't want to grab your hair.
The final suspect in the blue shirt arrives in a much more distressed state than the others. According to their claims, she was the one who started the initial fight at the club.
I want to know who's fighting who. Okay, I got an idea. Whoever that is, go on one cell. This lady go on no cell. And these two that are friends go on the bench.
Let's bring her right now.
Nasty, bring her to a bench. Bring her to a cell.
Put her in the Alcatraz test room. Hold her right there. Bring this one in. No, I know, but bring her in the hallway. Hold her in the hallway until we get.
Everybody set. Well, everybody set.
What happened?
Just come over here with me.
Can I have a water?
Keep them together here. Bring her in.
Calm down.
Alright, ma'am. What is your name?
I think I just tightened my cuffs. It hurts really bad.
Okay, alright.
What is your name?
Nicole. Kayla.
Please shut up, please. Please shut up.
Is my necklace still on, sir? My earrings? Sorry, I know I keep asking. You're okay. It's fine, calm down. I didn't do anything wrong.
I know, but please shut up. I've never been in this situation.
I've never been either. I've never even gotten a parking ticket. Okay?
Please shut up, please.
It's okay. Calm down.
Yeah,
Kayla. Kayla, look at me. Kayla, breathe. Breathe. Because you didn't do anything
I
wrong.
don't like these people.
I'm scared too.
I don't like them.
Kayla, breathe.
I don't like these people.
Kayla,
They do
that's
bad
not the
shit.
right thing to say right now.
Please.
Sir, I really tightened my cuffs. I don't know if it was a bit small, but can you help me out, please?
I loosened them, man. They're good.
You did? Okay. Right, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. What is your name?
Just hit me in the face, punch me down.
Punched me multiple times.
Okay. So we don't have a male in custody here for that.
Well, he hit us multiple times in the face.
You know who he was?
No,
He was
we
a
don't.
tall guy wearing a gray shirt. He had brown hair, and he was wearing like bluish pants.
Okay.
He was with that girl that had the blue shirt on,
Gotcha. Okay.
and she started it.
All right.
She hit her first.
Okay.
Had multiple times.
You want an ambulance?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So did she. She got hit in the
So
head multiple
okay.
times.
All right. Well,
We're gonna have them come check you out, okay?
So how
they're requesting a rig. They want. All right. Come on.
You guys left her too late.
That's it. We're gonna have an ambulance come up. All right. Come on this way, man. This way.
So you be getting mad if like we stick up for our friends?
Well, no, again, it's just the scenario and what happened. We come into it, we don't know what's going on. There's how many people there? What, 150?
Sure.
Versus 6 of us.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, chill, bro.
You saw the girl jump me.
Yes.
You saw them jump me with 3 of them. They don't care. My whole career.
Why am I getting arrested?
They don't care. This is my whole career.
You can help me with this because my nails.
I got you. There we go.
Thank you. And the crosser would just like fall off, so if you could just keep it secret. Like that. Yeah. Alexis, okay, I'm like,
It's gonna go right in your purse, right? It's right inside your purse.
okay, can you just catch it, please?
I will. Just take your earrings out.
And your nose right in.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Stop moving.
Again, everything is very
Go,
by
just
the
do it.
book.
Well, you keep moving.
I don't care.
You should care. You
No,
care
I
about
shouldn't
the
care
career.
because I got you arrested. Legit.
Okay.
Like, I don't understand. It's just like torture me because she's.
I gotta like look at
I
it.
don't care.
It's not gonna
Leave it in.
Did you have bracelets?
Oh, I just have like other piercings. Is that okay?
Gotcha.
That's
All right,
fine.
we're gonna go over here and then she's gonna search you in a moment.
Okay.
So stand back or have her face the fire extinguisher.
Gotcha. Just hang out over there and face towards the fire extinguisher. So
I'm not trying to disrespect you. Sometimes I get anxious.
No, I got you. This is an officer. She's gonna search you real quick, right?
Can I turn around?
No, you know what? I didn't figure out what I.
Nobody's saying that.
No, I
You
know.
still have to follow our procedure.
Okay.
It's the matter
You know
of
that?
procedures, because
No,
I got, but I
Okay.
got.
Stand up. Stand
Stand
up. We're gonna walk into the back.
No, I know, but just because I'm going to take it, I can't. I really
Banana,
can't.
we're going
But,
past you,
oh.
It's okay.
But no, but you know I didn't let
Come on,
the
keep
girls
going.
like punches into that.
They jumped him.
They don't care.
They don't
They don't care. I should just force them.
Sean.
No, we're gonna.
You're gonna leave the light.
I have like piercing inside.
Put your hand on the wall and when it's straight.
Can you just step off the shoe?
My
On the
whole
wall,
face.
right on the wall. Stop.
Nobody's
Stop
up
moving.
there.
Again, anything that we're taking, you're gonna get back out. It's just our
I can't believe find my phone. I was like, where is it? I lose my phone all the time.
I got you.
My girl career.
Stop.
You don't understand.
I put them on.
Yeah,
No, but my whole career.
no, you're good to step inside here.
I can't talk to her.
Not right
I
now.
didn't
Thank
do
you, I
it.
appreciate it.
No,
Sit down.
but you don't understand.
All 4 suspects were arrested for assault. The suspect with the braided hair received an additional charge for resisting, while the suspect in the blue shirt received additional charges for resisting and disorderly intoxication. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more never-before-seen arrest footage daily.